In this video, I'll show you how to find a Gmail account using phone number. So if you have forgotten your Gmail account and just want to recover it just by using your phone number, then here is the real guide of how you can do this. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to find out your Gmail using phone number, go ahead and open up the Gmail application from your Android or iPhone. So here I'm using my iPhone, so I'm going to open up the Gmail application. So you just need to do the same on your Android phone. And from the Gmail homepage, you just need to tap on this profile icon at the very top right here. And from this page, you just need to tap on add another account. And then simply go and select the Google, the first option from the list, and then tap on continue. And from this page, this might ask you to enter your email or the phone number, but you just need to tap on forget email option here. And once you do that, it's going to ask you to enter your phone number or email. So you just need to enter the phone number that is associated with that specific Gmail account that you want to recover. But make sure you have to enter the country code first before you enter the phone number. So I'm going to enter my country code first. And then simply go and enter the phone number. And then go and tap on the next from this page. Now this is going to ask you to enter the first name and the last name. So you just need to enter the first name and the last name of that Gmail account. And then tap on the next once again. Now this is going to send the code through this number that you have recently provided. Then tap on next from this page, and this is going to send a verification code through this phone number, and you just have to enter the code right over here. So I'm going to enter the code here, and then I'm going to tap on next, and he'll get to see this is our Gmail account. Now this time you can easily tap on that Gmail account. Now you can enter the password if you can remember the password, or even you can try another way and go through the process and you can reset the password as well. And this is how you actually can find out a Gmail account using your phone number. Hope you find it pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.